Choose Southwest Grill, Key Franchise Information, Series Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Moe's Southwest Grill. Moe's Southwest Grill is a fast casual restaurant chain known for its bold flavors, customizable Tex-Mex meals, and fun atmosphere. The brand was founded in 2000 in Atlanta, Georgia by raving brands. Moe's earns money by selling burritos, bowls, tacos, quesadillas, and drinks through dine-in, takeout, and digital ordering. Their mission is to serve fresh, flavorful food in a welcoming environment where everyone feels like family. The vision is to grow Moe's into the most beloved Tex-Mex brand in America, with strong franchise partnerships and loyal customers. Are you wondering if a Moe's Southwest Grill franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Moe's, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. How does a Moe's Southwest Grill franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Moe's operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Moe's brand, following established standards for food prep, service, and layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $3,500 plus 5% royalty and 2% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Moe's Southwest Grill. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. The brand offers ongoing support through field consultants, digital platforms, and a franchise advisory council.
Anecdote. One Moe's franchisee in North Carolina added a mural of local landmarks to their dining room, and saw a 17% increase in community engagement within 2 months.
Entry costs for Moe's Southwest Grill. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $745,325 to $1,819,50, depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit is around $22,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $22,000 to $19,600 annually.
Anecdote. One Moe's in Texas hit $1.3 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a college campus and a Free Chips Friday campaign.
R3. Step-by-step. How to register a Moe's Southwest Grill franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $1,000 and liquid assets of $3,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant brought their homemade salsa to share, and was offered a franchise spot on the spot.
4. Taxes and fees in Moe's Southwest Grill. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Moe's charges 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida used their local marketing budget to sponsor a taco trivia night and gained 900 new loyalty app signups in one weekend.
5. Hiring employees in Moe's Southwest Grill. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Moe's location needs from 20 to 35 employees, including cooks, servers, prep staff, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $2,500 to $6,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Moe's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia trained their entire team using Moe's digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
60 Moe's Southwest Grill. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly. Ingredients and resources. $9,000 to $16,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $16,000 to $32,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $4,500 to $9,500 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises, $1,500 to $4,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $2,500 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $2,000 to $3,500 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $2,500 to $5,000 per month including sales and property taxes. Other 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Moe's in Arizona served over 6,000 burritos during a Cinco de Moe's weekend, forcing the team to restock tortillas twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Moe's Southwest Grill help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees attend a multi-week onboarding program that includes in-person training at certified locations and corporate headquarters. Topics include food safety, menu prep, customer service, inventory and financial management, operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant, FBC, who provides ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly performance reviews, benchmarking, and access to proprietary systems. E-learning platform. Moe's offers a digital training system for crew members, including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Moe's also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: one franchisee in South Carolina used Moe's e-learning platform to train a team of high school students and won Best Team Spirit in their region after just 1 month of operations.
8. Franchise inspections in Moe's Southwest Grill. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Moe's Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote: a Moe's location in Colorado passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Guac Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Moe's Southwest Grill. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues around $22,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $22,000 to $29,600 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 10% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, customizable menu options, impulse-driven purchases, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, colleges, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Florida broke even in just 30 months, thanks to a location near a beach and a burrito and beats weekend promotion that boosted repeat visits by 27%.
10. Moe's Southwest Grill in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Moe's operates over 600 locations across the U.S., making it one of the top Tex-Mex fast casual chains. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through digital ordering, loyalty programs, and new formats like ghost kitchens and non-traditional venues. In 2025, Moe's added 18 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and food waste reduction. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Chipotle, Qdoba, and Taco Bell have impacted margins. Moe's responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. Tex-Mex fast casual market is projected to grow from $9.2 billion in 2025 to $12.5 billion by 2030, CAGR 6.3%.
Anecdote: in 2025, Moe's launched its first Mini Moe's concept in a college town, and saw a 25% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Moe's Southwest Grill franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition in Tex-Mex segment. B. Fun, customizable menu with free chips and salsa. C. Digital ordering and loyalty programs. D. Support from go-to foods, focus brands. Cons. A. High initial investment. B. Competitive fast casual market. C. Limited international expansion. D. Operational complexity during peak hours.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New Jersey said, "Moe's gives you the flavor, the freedom, and the fans. You just need to bring the energy."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Moe's owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Moe's training, tech, and marketing support with other Tex-Mex brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a pizza brand, until they saw Moe's burrito margins and realized salsa was the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Moe's Southwest Grill franchise for, and is it worth investing? Moe's Southwest Grill is ideal for entrepreneurs who love bold flavors, high-traffic retail, and a proven fast casual model. With average annual revenues around $22,000 and profit margins from 10% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the Tex-Mex category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $7,453.25 to $18,190.50, and Moe's enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Moe's is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and crave-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve flavorful burritos, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Moe's in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 7,200 burritos and 300 gallons of queso in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Hi Doba Mexican Eats. Is Doba Mexican Eats a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.